In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage restricted access for specific customers within your Shopify store. This can be particularly useful if you need to regulate certain aspects of your store's accessibility. Let's get started by heading over to your Shopify admin page. This will be your central hub for managing your store, so it's essential to become familiar with its layout and functions. Once you're on the Shopify admin homepage, the next step is to navigate to the online store section. You'll find it on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking this will expose various themes and customizations that you can apply to the appearance and functionality of your store. It's at this juncture where you get to access all the features that make your store uniquely yours. Now, proceed to click on Themes. Under this section, you should see a button labeled Highlight. Clicking on this option allows you to manage and customize different aspects of your store theme. Subsequently, make sure to click Edit Code to access the backend of your store's user interface. This may seem a bit overwhelming, but rest assured, we'll guide you through it. Once you're in the code editor, direct your attention to the left side of the screen and locate Theme Liquid. This is the central file that controls the layout and appearance of your online store. It's crucial not to make random edits here, as it can affect your store's operation. What you need to do is type in the code specifically designated for setting a restricted tag. Accuracy is important here, so enter the code exactly as it has been provided. With your newly typed code ready, simply paste it into the appropriate section of the Theme Liquid file. This will initiate the restrictions you want to apply. Once you've verified that everything looks correct, your next move is to click Save. This action is vital as it ensures that all changes are locked in and become active on your store's platform. Having completed those steps, you'll need to return to the main menu of your admin page and click on Customers. This section provides you with a complete list of the individuals who have registered or interacted with your store. Locate the customer you wish to be restricted and click on their profile. In the customer profile, look out for a section marked Tags. This is where you'll need to put the exact word restricted. Ensuring the proper tagging is crucial, as it dictates the limitations applied to the customer's access. Once you've entered the tag, find the option to Add and click it. Adding the tag finalizes the restriction process. And there you have it. You've successfully tagged a customer as restricted, which controls their access according to the parameters set in the code. It's a straightforward process once you know how to navigate the admin section. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more Shopify tips and tricks.